Traumatic cats. How can we help traumatic cats? Cats can be traumatized by many things, such as being abused, neglected, or having their surroundings suddenly change. Cats can have mental and physical scars from traumatic events, just like people can. To help a cat get better after something bad happens, you need to be patient, understanding, and kind. You can help your cat friend get better and regain their trust by following the steps in this guide. How to understand cat trauma. First, it's important to know how to tell when a cat is upset. Cats that have been traumatized may hide the fact that they groom themselves too much, or make quick changes to the way they eat and sleep. They might get scared of people or other animals more, and they might show signs of sadness, like being tired or not wanting to do things they used to enjoy. The first thing you can do to help your cat is to learn these signs. Setting up a safe place. Giving a cat that has been through a lot a safe place to stay is very important. Cats need a safe place to hide out. It could be a quiet room with a litter box and bed toys. Make sure there are no loud noises or sudden moves in this area that could make people scared or anxious. The goal is to give your cat a safe place to rest and feel at ease. Building trust. When you're with a cat, especially one that has been through a lot, trust is very important. Give your cat some space at first and let them come to you when they're ready. Do not force them to connect with you because this can make them more afraid. You can be in the same room as your cat, but don't try to touch or hold them. Just being there for your cat can help it get used to you and start to trust you. Using good behavior as a guide. Positive feedback is a great way to help a cat that has been hurt get better. You can reward your cat with treats and praise when it acts calm and relaxed. This helps them connect good things that happen to them with you and their environment. Don't use penalties because it can make people more afraid and anxious, which makes it harder for them to get better. Setting up a routine. Cats like having a pattern. Setting a regular schedule for each day can help your cat feel safer. Every day, feed them at the same time and make sure their surroundings stays the same. Routines help people feel less anxious by giving them a sense of control over their surroundings and regularity. Giving your mind and body a workout. Keeping your cat busy with mental and physical tasks can help them forget about their trauma and feel less anxious. Play gently with puzzle feeders and other toys that you can interact with. You can help your cat trust you and their surroundings again by doing these things. Using products that calm and pheromones. There are things you can buy to help calm down a scared cat. Sprays, collars, and diffusers that use feline pheromones make synthetic versions of the calming hormones that cats naturally make. These items can help you make your cat's space more relaxing. Also, supplements and treats made just for cats that are meant to calm them down can be helpful. Getting help from a professional. There are times when you may need skilled help. If your cat's behavior doesn't get better or if they are showing clear signs of stress, you might want to talk to a vet or a trained animal behaviorist. They can give your cat extra help and make a personalized plan to help it get better. How the healing process works. Cats that have been hurt can take a long time to get better, so please be patient. Every cat is different, so they will heal at their own pace. You should be happy about small wins, like when your cat starts to come out from hiding or shows interest in playing. These goals should be recognized as signs of growth. Using techniques for gentle handling. When you're with your cat, be gentle when you touch it. Do not move or make loud noises that could scare or startle them. Keep your voice soft and calm. If your cat is okay with being petted, start with light touches on their head or back, where they are used to being touched. As your cat gets used to being petted, slowly extend the time and areas you touch it, making people feel safe and comfortable. A cat that has been through a lot needs to feel safe and comfortable. Make sure your cat has soft furniture and warm places to hide and feel safe. There are cats that might feel better when they are wrapped in a soft blanket or in a small area that doesn't let any other cats in. Make sure they can get clean water and healthy food to keep their bodies healthy. Following your cat's progress. Keep track of how your cat acts and how things are going. Take note of any changes in how they eat, sleep, or hang out with other people. This can help you figure out what makes them anxious and what makes them feel better. Talking to a vet or behaviorist about this knowledge can also help you come up with a better recovery plan. Getting people to socialize. Slowly get your cat used to being around people and other animals. Start by having short, positive exchanges with your cat. As it gets used to them, slowly lengthen the time you spend with them. Make sure that these exchanges are watched over and that your cat can run away if they feel stressed. Using techniques for desensitization. Through desensitization, you can slowly introduce your cat to the things that scare it in a safe and controlled way. Start by exposing your cat to very little and slowly raise the amount as it gets used to it. For instance, if your cat is scared of loud noises, you can start with very soft sounds and slowly turn them up over time, giving people consistently good experiences. To help a cat heal from trauma, you need to be consistent. Make sure people always have good memories and stay away from bad ones. This makes people feel safe and helps them trust. Being consistent with how you act and where you put your cat will make them feel safer. How to understand the role of play. Playing is not only a great way to stay active, but it can also help build trust and keep your mind sharp. To keep your cat interested, give it feather wands or light pointers that look like real prey. To keep your cat interesting and busy, play sessions should be short and happen often instead of long and not often. Offering a range of activities to improve. Doing enrichment tasks can help you feel less anxious and keep your mind active. Some of these are puzzle feeders, climbing frames, and putting treats around the house for your cat to find. Cat enrichment tasks can help them follow their natural instincts and give them a good way to use their energy. How to read your cat's body language. You can better meet your cat's needs if you know how to read their body language. Look for signs of stress, like ears that are flattened, eyes that are big, or a tail that is tucked up. On the other hand, a slow blink, purring, and kneading are signs of ease. Being aware of these signs and responding in the right way can help build trust and comfort. Trying to make the home more calm. A cat that has been through a lot needs a calm home setting. Lessen the volume and speed of your actions. As much as possible, stick to the same routine around the house. If you have other dogs in the house, make sure they are also calm and aren't making your cat feel even more stressed. Using homeopathic medicines. There are natural treatments that can help a scared cat feel better. Herbal medicines like chamomile or valerian root can help you relax. Before using any natural treatments on your cat, you should always talk to a vet to make sure they are safe and right for them. Seeing how your actions affect other people. How you act can have a big effect on how quickly your cat gets better. Keep calm and wait, even if things move slowly. It's important to stay upbeat and encouraging because your cat will pick up on how you feel. Your cat will feel safer if you give it a stable and caring place to live. How to know when to ask for more help. If your cat isn't getting better despite your best efforts, it might be time to get some extra help. More expert help can come from a veterinarian or professional behaviorist. They can help you understand your cat's behavior and suggest other ways to treat or prevent it. Building a strong bond. Getting close to your cat is very important for their healing. You should spend valuable time with them, do things they like, and give them lots of praise. Your cat needs to feel safe and loved in order to heal emotionally, and a strong bond will help them do that. Celebrating little wins. Enjoy every little win along the way. Even if it seems like a small step, every step forward is growth. Pay attention to these times and be proud of what you and your cat are doing. During the recovery process, celebrating small wins will help you stay motivated and upbeat. Keeping up long-term support. It takes time to get better after a traumatic event. Keep being there for your cat and showing that you understand, even after they start to get better. Trauma can have long-lasting effects, and people need ongoing support to be healthy in the long run. Helping a cat get better after it's been hurt. People who have been physically hurt need both medical care and emotional help. Pay close attention to what your vet says and make sure your cat is comfortable while they heal. Give them a place to rest and heal that is quiet and cozy. Keep an eye on their physical growth and look for any signs that they are in pain or discomfort. How to understand how important patience is. Being patient is probably the most important thing you can do to help a cat that has been hurt get better. Things may go wrong along the way and the process may take a long time. It's important to stay calm and determined as your cat gets better. Your commitment will make a big difference in how quickly they heal. Looking into different types of therapy. Alternative treatments for cats, like acupuncture or massage, can help some of them. These treatments can help you feel less stressed and more relaxed. Before starting any alternative treatment for your cat, You should always talk to your vet to make sure it is safe for them. Getting people to be independent. It's important to help, but it's also important to push people to be independent. Let your cat look around and connect with its surroundings at its own pace. Puzzle feeders and exploring new parts of the house are two things that can help kids become more independent. Taking care of physical health. For mental recovery to happen, you need to be physically healthy. Make sure that your cat has a healthy diet and enough movement. It's important to take them to the vet for regular checkups to keep an eye on their health. And take care of any physical problems that may come up. Giving ongoing support for emotional health. A cat that has been through a lot needs emotional care. Don't stop loving and understanding your cat just because it seems to be getting better. Trauma can have long-lasting effects, and getting help over and over again is important for long-term healing. How to understand the importance of regular veterinary care. Regular visits to the vet are important for keeping an eye on your cat's health and taking care of any problems that may come up. Getting regular checkups can help find any problems with their health that may be making their anxiety or stress worse. Your vet can also give you advice on how to help your cat get better. Putting together a support system. Getting help from other people can be good for both you and your cat. This can include family, friends, and coworkers who can help and give advice. Having people who care about you can help you stay positive and motivated as you recover. It takes a lot of love, patience, and understanding to help a cat get better after something bad happens. You can help your cat heal and gain confidence by making their environment safe, earning their trust, and giving them consistent support. Don't forget to celebrate the little wins along the way, and if you need to, get professional help. Your care and dedication will make a big difference in how quickly your cat gets better. Thanks for watching. We're glad you joined us to learn more about cats and deepen your bond with them. If you enjoyed the video and want to share it with your fellow cat lovers, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, remember to turn on notifications so you won't miss our new videos. Until next time, stay with cats. Goodbye.